refund. For those of you who are filing income taxes with the IRS, you may be getting frustrated that your refund is delayed, late, or you just don't know what to expect. I want to share with you the best way to check your tax refund status, and it is not the Where's My Refund tool. Now, the IRS states that typically most returns receive their refunds within 21 calendar days. If you are seeing refund schedules such as this or similar shared around the internet and YouTube, this is an estimation. This does not come directly from the IRS, but rather different CPAs, bloggers, and organizations are putting together estimates based on IRS patterns, these 21 days, and other various reasons. Now, there are a variety of reasons why income tax refunds are delayed, and this can include a variety of different things, such as the IRS's mounting backlog, as well as the type of credits that you claimed on your taxes and specific requirements associated with those credits. I outline reasons for problems and delays in the video that I'm going to link down below in the video description. Which is why utilizing calendars such as these, which don't actually come directly from the IRS, or planning on that 21-day rule doesn't quite give you all the information, and it's best to pull your transcript and see exactly what is going on so you get better insight. Where's My Refund tool is helpful for quick information. However, pulling your transcript directly from the IRS.gov website will actually show you detailed updates in pretty close to real time, because the IRS will either update your transcript daily or weekly, depending on which type of cycle you're on. Now, the cycle number is helpful to understand because this will tell you if you can expect either daily processing and updates to your transcript and your refund or weekly updates only. The first 4 digits correspond to the year. The next 2 digits correspond to the numerical week of the year, and the last 2 digits correspond to the IRS processing day of the week. Now, I don't want you to overcomplicate deciphering this number too much, so I'm going to really simplify this here. If the last 2 digits in your cycle code show 01, 02, 03, or 04, then your master files and your return is being processed and updated on a daily basis. This means that you can check your transcript daily for updates, and if you see that a refund has been issued, then it most likely will hit your account within 1 to several days, as long as it does not have to go through a third-party bank account first. However, if in your cycle code the last 2 digits that you see are 05, then your master files are not updated daily, but rather are being updated on a weekly basis. Because the IRS is processing your updates and your refund on a weekly basis only, this means that the updates to your transcript and your account and your refund is going to be slower to hit your bank account because the IRS is only processing it on a weekly basis. If you're on a weekly processing basis, then your transcript master files are updated late Thursday night, and in most cases, you'll be able to view those changes in your transcripts on Fridays. Where's My Refund for weekly processing accounts will only be updated in most cases on Saturdays, and direct deposit dates for weekly accounts will most likely be on Wednesdays, whereas daily processing accounts will be updated daily. The codes that the IRS utilizes are all published in this publication that I'm going to link in the video description down below. If you see a code on your transcript and you want to know exactly what it means, click the link in the video description and you can view all of the transcript codes and exactly what they mean. Now, I want to go over a few of the common codes that many of you expecting refunds are going to see on your transcript. The Taxpayer Advocate Service lists out several of these common codes and what they mean. One common code that is often misconstrued is code 420. This means that your transcript has been pulled and has been assigned to the Examination or Appeals Division. This means that something in your tax return does not quite line up and you are being looked at to see if you need an audit. If you are chosen for an audit, then you will receive a specific notification about that audit. The next common code that many of you may see is IRS code 570 on your transcript. This does not mean that you have been selected for an audit, but rather that they are waiting to verify some specific things, and this can vary quite differently between person to person. Things that this can include can be IRS debt, ID verification, missing income statements, wage verification issues, or other complications. If you see code 570, then you should anticipate a delay in your refund and anticipate that the IRS will need additional time to process this. Until the action or information needed in order to continue processing your refund is received, then the IRS will put a freeze on your refund. You'll know that this has cleared when you see code 571 or 572 appear on your transcript. This means that the freeze has been lifted or reversed. The next common code that many of you may see is going to be IRS code 826. This means that your refund is being utilized to pay past debts. And the code that you do want to see on your transcript is code 846. This means that you have been issued a refund. Now, the term refund issued shown on your transcript is a bit misleading because this means simply that it has been debited from the IRS's internal system, but has not necessarily been posted to your account in your own bank. Next, I want to show you exactly how you can pull your transcript from IRS.gov. You're going to visit IRS.gov and you're going to log into your account. If you have not opened an account with the IRS, it's going to take you some additional time because there are going to be several steps that you have to go through in order to first confirm your identity. Now, once you're logged into your account, you'll see the account homepage. Click the View Tax Records link. On the next page, click the Get Transcript button. Here you're going to see a drop-down menu asking the reasons you need a transcript. Select Federal Tax and leave the Customer File Number field empty. Then you will click the Go button. Now the next page will show you your return transcript, records of account transcript, and wage and income transcript for the last 4 years. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please let me know in the comments down below. Were you able to access your transcript? Did you see any codes on there? And what is the status of your refund? Lastly, if you have not seen this recent video of mine, please make sure that you click through and view it because the IRS made a mistake, which is going to impact many of you getting your tax returns rejected, unfortunately. So I want to make sure that you know exactly the mistake that they made so that you can cross-reference and, in fact, correct the letter that they may have sent you. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please remember to click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.